Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hey! Ah, hello!
What are you doing today, Mr Tumble?
Oh, I'm watering the plants.
Is Grandad Tumble helping you, Mr Tumble?
No.
Mr Tumble, have you run out of water?
What? Yes! Oh, my watering can is too small. I mean, aha!
Can you use the hose to water the plants, Mr Tumble?
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Mr Tumble, can you ask Grandad Tumble to turn the tap on?
Oh, good idea. Oh, Grandad, no. I'll do it. I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's raining. I don't need to water the plants now. Oh, it stopped raining.
Mr Tumble, it wasn't raining. The water came from the hose.
Right. Oh, the hose. Oh. I don't know.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Now you're awake. Can you turn the tap on for Mr Tumble?
Wait, oh, right. OK.
Ooh.
Right. Wait me a minute.
Ready?
Yeah, here it comes, a boy.
What? Yeah!
Grandad Tumble's rocking chair stopped the water.
Sorry. I'll just,
Bye!
Bye, Grandad Tumble. Before you go, Mr Tumble, could you please show us the sign for friends?
Oh, yes! Oh, look! Friends! You sign friends! I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!